In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Ads campaign draft. Whether you're tidying up your Google Ads account or deciding that a draft campaign isn't going to launch, removing unnecessary drafts is a straightforward process. But if you've never done it before, or if you want to make sure you're doing it correctly, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you can confidently manage your campaigns. First, let's understand why you might need to delete a draft campaign. Drafts are essentially a way to prepare and experiment with campaign settings without affecting your live campaigns. However, over time these drafts can accumulate, leading to clutter and potential confusion within your Google Ads account. Keeping your account organized is key to maintaining efficiency and making informed decisions about your advertising strategies. Now let's dive into the steps. Begin by navigating to your Google Ads account. You can do this by typing ads.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once there, sign in with the details associated with your Google Ads account. After you've logged in, you'll land on the overview page. This is your Google Ads dashboard where you can see a snapshot of your account's performance, including all your live and draft campaigns. The layout of this page is designed to give you quick access to the most relevant information and actions. As you're on the overview page, take a moment to locate your draft campaign. Remember, drafts are not live campaigns but proposals of settings or changes you might consider in the future. They're usually marked clearly, but if you have many campaigns, you might need to scroll or use the Pages search function. Once you've found the draft campaign you wish to delete, your next step is to remove it. Look for a Remove option, which should be visible near the draft campaign's name or within its settings menu. This is a crucial step as clicking Remove will initiate the process to permanently delete your draft, so ensure you're selecting the correct draft campaign to avoid accidental deletions. Upon clicking Remove, you may receive a prompt asking for confirmation to delete the draft campaign. This is a safety measure to prevent unintended loss of work. Take a moment to double check that this is indeed the draft you wish to delete and confirm the action. And that's it. Once you confirm, the draft campaign will be removed from your Google Ads account. This action cleans up your account, allowing you to focus more clearly on the campaigns that are active or in planning stages that will go live. A couple of tips to keep in mind throughout this process. Always review a draft campaign before deleting it. Ensure that there isn't any valuable planning or data that you might want to keep or reference for future campaigns. Sometimes it's beneficial to take notes or screenshots of specific settings or keywords that you might want to experiment with later. Additionally, understand that deleting a draft is permanent. If you're unsure about whether you might need it later, you might opt to leave it as is. The organization is important, but so is the preservation of potentially useful information. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Google Ads drafts, keeping your account neat and focused on active and upcoming campaigns. Deleting unneeded drafts not only clears visual clutter, but also helps you maintain an efficient workspace in your Google Ads account, ensuring that you're always working with the most relevant and impactful campaigns. Remember, the key to successful advertising on Google is not just creating compelling campaigns, but also managing your account efficiently. Regularly reviewing and cleaning up drafts is just one part of maintaining an optimized advertising account. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to delete a Google Ads campaign draft. I hope this video has been helpful and has made the process clear and straightforward for you. For more tips and tutorials on managing your Google Ads account effectively, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned.